You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Lolly's cooking channel. Do it at home. So today we're going to be doing a icing. How to do this? You can watch it on my channel. Buttercream icing with your condensed milk. So this is with our condensed milk. You can also see a buttercream icing without the condensed milk. So let's get into the business of the day. I'm going to spread this out. Just softly spread and turn, spread and turn. This is to hide all the crumbs. In case there are crumbs on it, this will hide all your crumbs. So now you're going in with your spatula and you're just going to turn to get everything smooth in. So we're done with our corn coding. So all the excess is sealed in. So we're going to be using fondant to cover this cake. So I'm using this my fondant to cover the cake. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'll dust the surface, match it up. Going to be rolling it out. Roll and return. You flip it over to make sure that there is no, it's not sticky. This is half a kilo of fondant. 500 gram. If I've rolled it to the level I need to, so you need to be sure of what you have rolled. Yeah, it's well rolled out now. So now I'm pasting it on my cake. I will allow it to lap here and make sure that it's in the middle and just roll it out on your cake. So now you need this to smoothen the surface and to get everything in the place. So see, I use my hand to pick it up and turn it aside. Use your hand to spread it out. So now it's time for you to smoothen it. But before the smoothing, we're going to be trimming off all the edges, the excess from the edges. Now, there's a danger if it does not get to the bottom. You find out that you've done some trimming that you don't need to. my icing sugar to just trim off some of the edges. So this is how you get your perfect. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my butter icing to decorate my cake. So what I'm going to do is I'm using two color. I'm using pink and blue. So I'm going to be separating my butter icing into two bowls so that I'll be able to get my color. So in one of the bowl, I'll be adding my blue generously. So I'm going to mix it up until the color gets incorporates in. So I'm going to put my other color, just a pinch of the red to give me rose. We're going to be using the next thing is I'm going to be scooping it into my bag. Get out the okay. I'm using the four round, so I'm going to be doing the same thing here, scooping it into my bag. Get out my hair. Turn it over. I'm using the same shape. So we're going to start from the top. So we are rounding up. One, two, three. And I'm going to use my blue also. So I'm going to be doing two. Okay. So I'm going to be using a little grain on it just to pop it out. To close out the openings. Just going to pop it out. Continue till now. God bless you. Please do give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn off your notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Please do come back. We will be doing different type of cake monthly, every day, every month. We'll be dropping cakes. Thank you for staying with us. God bless you. Bye.